Yeah. Can I fly you to the moon? Can we play among the stars? I've been thinking.
What is up, you amazing people of YouTube? So we are here with Annalena. She's the au pair from Germany. She's heading back to Germany on Monday. But we just went and got clothes. Where's the clothes? And I'm gonna do a photo shoot in sometime this week, probably, from Old Navy. So yeah, now we're heading over to the YMCA. We're gonna go and watch my host child swim. So I will see you guys there in a few seconds. Cheers. Well, we've made it to the YMCA. Hopefully the wind doesn't kill the video. But anyways, we're here. We're gonna go and watch Ryder swim now. Woo! And we're actually meeting up with another friend. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And tonight we have a party. Stay tuned for that. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I hope so. I don't know.
Yeah,
Guys, so we're finished at the swimming pool. Not finished because we're going back. Leilu jumped with me. Annalena doesn't want to. She says it's cold. She might go. Oh, the sun! Yes, hallelujah! Thank you. So yeah, we're doing that at the moment. I already jumped in. You wish. I know how cold this water is, so it's like.
Oh my goodness!
Okay. See, that's just for you guys.
Because like
I got a German accent come to me.
what did you just say? I don't know. That was Germany or what? Was it cold?
It is pretty cold.
No!
Oh guys, we're here outside the party. Leilu's here. And
Vinegar.
salt and vinegar chips. I mean, they're good. I mean, they're weird. That Annalena's also there. Leilu and I have new outfits on. Oh yeah. So yeah, now we're just waiting outside the door like weirdos. Pizza! Everybody's there in the background. But I got pizza. And we're playing pool. So I'm happy. Leilu wants to be in the video.
Can you hold the pizza?
I got 2 pizza. Nice. I had nothing to do with that. Like, that was only also. She might have. So, got a couch. It's lekker. It's nice.
Okay, hold on.
She's enjoying herself on the couch. The rest of the people over there. And Annalena's over there. So yeah. And I'm gonna get copyright strikes again. Woo. Hello. What can I do? Well guys, we're back at the arcade, Ryan's. I've got more friends with me. Kira, Leilu, Annalena, you guys met. That's Jade. And Laura. So we're heading into the arcade now to go and play some games. That's the 2 girls racing against each other. Who will win? Leave it down in the comments. 6th and 5th. See, this one scared me. Don't drive. Come on, Leilu, you can do it. You're 3 seconds behind. Oh, and the positions have changed. Just the AI. fact that they're still in the race is amazing. Winner! Ding ding ding!
He's a dad.
You're gonna see how horrible a man looks doing a twerk thing. Well guys, we're back at my house now. I've got people going with me, so I'm not alone on the drive back. But we're gonna go and drop off Annalena at the airport now, because she's heading back to Germany. And then yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna get copyrighted again because we're gonna listen to music. But anyways, so guys, we have dropped Annalena off at the airport. We're at Burger King now. So we went to the bathroom and I gave this poor dude a huge fright. I can't get the head to sit properly. Because I wanted to give her a fright, and then, well, I stepped out to this dude and he's like, whoa! I'm like, whoa, sorry, it wasn't meant to. Because she came out of the bathroom and then she turned around and went back in for her phone, because she left it, like. Well guys, this marks the end of another video. I mean, I guess it was pretty cool. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. You know, it helps the channel grow, helps us be able to like figure out more things to do. And yeah, like, if you have any suggestions of what I should do, like, leave it down in the comments. I'm always up to try something new. So like, drop it down there. Maybe you see me do something stupid. Who knows? But if you guys did enjoy, like I said, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share this with a friend. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.